Hello, friends. Today's detail is not mine. What are you detailing today?
A 2014 Hyundai Elantra.
Hyundai Elantra. Yeah. This is a hatchback. Me and Bella took a pretty nasty fall. Plus, I am about to leave town. So, my grandson, Cayden, filled in and he is detailing today. So, I thought I'd get a little bit of footage so that we could show you guys. I'm training my offspring. I'll let you take it and you can show everybody.
I don't know what to do with it.
You just open the door and you start at the door. So you show them how filthy I am. Gross.
I can't really see.
It's nasty. It's not that bad, actually. It's in really good condition.
Plus, I've already done like half of it.
And yeah, he's already done about half of it.
Plus, I've already vacuumed it all.
What's that?
I've already vacuumed it all.
Oh, I thought there was a stain on the seat. It's a reflection.
It's a reflection.
Now, you might want to check the engine bay.
Yeah, but then
Make sure that's not nasty. Oh, psh. Close it. You're done. Not even worth your time. So, go ahead and get to work. I'm going to sit here and chill. You go ahead and get to work. I'll sit here and chill. What? Aren't I leaving? That's the plan. This is one of those where LA Totally Awesome is going to cut it. So just spray it. Spray it good. Spray it good. You're not going to hurt anything. There you go. Now let's let it sit for a minute. We want that gunk to loosen up. That's what it is. It's just a bunch of gunk. Sticky, nasty hands. That's what that is. Isn't that gross? See why I say wash your hands?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. It's too hot for that.
It is too hot. I'll give you that. It's hot. Did you bring any water to drink? Looks good. Little easier. People just want to take her. I don't know. Probably has. clear, like they put a clear on it. See how it's, yep. I bet that's what they damn well did, huh? Yes, there is. Get it on there, just like this. Okay, you just want to kind of spread it out. Now, you better hold on to it with both hands. Don't push. Pull that trigger back. See? Not that hard. Make sure you get all of that. There you go. Keep it straight up and even. You want to keep that straight and flat. There you go. Good job. Might work on this a little bit more. Just kind of push on it a little bit. Give it a little pressure so you can allow that stuff to kind of grind it in. Just make sure there's no splatter. Now, did you get the one at the bottom? See how you're just wanting to bring them back to life a little? You're just clearing all the crap off of it is all you're doing. Here you go. Now you know not to put a lot of pressure on it, right? Now you know that black one is not going to come off. But the rest of it should lighten up. Pull that trigger back. What I want you to do is you see this line? So kind of put your thing right center on that. Put a little bit of pressure, not much. And just go back and forth on that spot. You want that stuff to lighten up. Not all of it's going to go away. Now wipe that off and see what it's doing. Grab the camera, take your final shots. Just take your shot of the car. You can show your wheels. Watch the damn speed bump. Put a little bit of smoke in there.
Yeah.
Did you expect it to be at work today?